Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the poem Sea Song. So let's start. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. So this child over here has found a seashell. He picks up on the from lying on the sand, like all these seashells that are lying over here. He picks it up and takes it home. What was the seashell like? It was a curly seashell. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear, and from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. So, when he takes the seashell home, his mother looks at it and holds the seashell against the ear of the boy. Oh my God, what did he hear from the seashell? He heard a song coming. What was the song like? The song was really sweet, soft, and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you would find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. So, when the boy heard the song coming from the seashell, he was really astonished, and he gradually got mesmerized by the sweet song that was coming out of it. And now he wishes that everybody finds a big shell and could hear the song coming from it and have a wonderful experience. So हमने इस पोएम में क्या पढ़ा? यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा बच्चा है, वो बीच पे जाता है समंदर के पास, और उसे एक तो सी शेल इस तरह का पड़ा हुआ मिलता है. वो सी शेल कर्ली है, गोल गोल, और वो उस सी शेल को अपने घर ले आता है. जब उसकी मम्मी उस सी शेल को देखती है, उसकी मम्मी वो सी शेल उसके कान पे लगाती है, तो उस सी शेल में से उसे एक बहुत ही प्यारा और मीठा सा और एकदम साफ गाना सुनाई देता है. वो बहुत हैरान हो जाता है. फिर वो बड़े ध्यान से सुनता है, पर ये सच में था कि उस सी शेल में से सच में गाना आ रहा था, और वो गाना बहुत ही अच्छा था. तो वो चाहता है कि हम सबको ऐसा सी शेल मिले जिसे हम भी कान में लगाकर सुन सके कि उसमें से कैसे गाना आता है. So let's now move on to do the exercise. New words: shell, held, surprised, curly, clear. Okay, now let's do the question answer. Where did the child find the seashell? The child found the seashell on the lying on the sand. Question number 2. What did the child do with the shell? The child picked up the shell and took it home. What did the child hear? The child heard a soft, sweet, and clear song. Now, let's move on to the next exercise. Word building. Pick the rhyming words from the box and pair them in the spaces below. The first one has been done for you. Found, sound. Okay? The rhyming word of found is sound. Okay? Now let's find the rhyming word of the word cold. Cold, bold. Now let's move on to the third word. Took, look, sand, hand, mummy, tummy. So we have done the rhyming words. The rhyming words are those words that have more or less the same spelling and the same sound. Okay? Now fill in the blanks with the opposite words, choosing from the box below. The first one has been done for you. So, found, lost, hard, soft, inside, outside. Took, took, gave. Big, small. Came, came, went. Yes. Pick, drop. True, false. Curly, straight. Cold, hot. Sweet, bitter. Tall, short. Okay, so these were the opposites of the word. Now let's move on to choose the right words. The sea is very, very big. Okay, you cannot dash the other side. You cannot see the other side. You dash cross the sea. You can cross the sea. You can cross it in a ship. Okay? Now read the following. Birds sing, phones ring, people talk, dogs bark, cows moo, cocks crow, bees buzz, children hush. Okay? Now match the phrases with the picture. The bird singing. See, the bird is singing. A cow mooing. Over here, you have to match the picture with the phrases written. A phone ringing. A dog barking. A cock crowing. Okay? So, now we have come to the end of the chapter of this poem, and this is the question answer to the questions given on page 35. So now this sea song is pretty much clear. It is the poem about a boy who finds a seashell lying on the beach. He takes it back home, and when his mother presses the shell against his ears, he could hear a very sweet, soft, and clear song. He was really astonished and surprised, but when he really listened to it, he saw that it's really true. A song is coming out of a seashell. What an amazing thing to experience. And then he wishes for everyone to find a seashell and listen to the song that comes out of it. So everybody, please go through the video, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the video, and see you in the next video for the next chapter. Thank you very much.